called Sight Sound Hollywood. This is Karen. Hollywood Happening. Sight Sound Hollywood.
He's gonna make it happen, make it happen.
I heard people say that too much of anything is not good for you, baby. But I don't know about that. You see, as many times as we love, we shared love and made love. Girl, it doesn't seem to me that it's enough. It's just not enough. Oh, darling, my darling, I can't get enough of your loving. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your loving. Oh, no, babe, 'cause some things I can't get used to, no matter how I try. It's like the more you get, the more I want. Baby, that's no lie. Oh, no, babe, tell me, what can I say? What am I gonna do? Or should I feel when everything is you? What kind of love is this that you give me? Is it in your kisses because you're sweet? Girl, I know it's every time you're here. I feel the time, something like I scream your name. Look at you, darling, I can't get enough of your loving. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your loving. Oh, no, babe. Girl, if I can only make you see, make you understand. Girl, your love for me is all I need, all I can stand. Oh, no, baby, tell me, what can I say? What am I gonna do? Or should I feel when everything is still? What part of love is this that you're giving me? Is it in your kiss? Because you're sweet. I got all I know. If I'm on your knee, I feel just right. Something I scream your name. Look what you got me doing. Can't get enough of your loving. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your loving. Oh no, baby. Baby, it took all of my life to find. But you can believe that it's gonna take the rest of my life to keep. Oh no, baby. Oh, no, baby. Can't get enough of your loving. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your loving. Oh, my darling, I can't get enough of your loving. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your loving. I can't get enough of your loving. I can't get enough of your loving. Can't get enough of your loving. Can't get enough. All right.
That was JC back there behind the drums doing his thing. Little berry for you. Going out so hot, just like the movie. I'm burning myself, just as tattoo. It's so nice, it's so nice, so nice. We don't like all the watching. Cause if it's other girls will blow the night. He ain't nothing but little dudes doing it. He's so fly. And as long as we got to suit tight, I'm gonna leave it all on the floor tonight. Maybe got kissed up to tonight. Show you thing. All dressed up in black and white. And I just didn't make twice tonight. Love is swinging in the air tonight. Show you a few things. 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 Stop. Let me get a good look at it. Ooh, so sweet. Now I know where to call it from. I'm so sick out of here. He's so nice. It's so nice. I'm gonna show him I know that it. I guess that it's not us, but they wish they had. Oh, my pretty. Yeah, you're classy. And as long as you got your suit tight, I'ma leave it all on the floor tonight. When you got kissed up to tonight, I'm gonna show you a good thing. All the stuff in black and white, and just in my chest tonight. Love swinging in the air tonight. Show you a few things. Show you a few things. Show you a few things. Check it out, y'all. I'd like to introduce you to the band Sound Effects. To my left on keys, from Ventura County, the one and only Mr. Eddie T. Mr. Eddie Duenas.
All right.
And on bass guitar, from Philly, by way of Oxnard. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ray Carter. And on drums and vocals, y'all heard him. from Jersey, Mr. JC,
From Newark.
straight from Mexico. Is it Chihuahua?
Chihuahua, Mexico.
Mr. Jazzy Jazz. That's right. My name is Lisa. See a little sound effects. At the road. As long as you got your suit tied, I'm gonna leave it all on the floor tonight. And you got tricks up to July. I'm gonna show you a good day. Awful stuff in black and white. I'm just in my dress you like. Love swinging in the air tonight. I'm gonna show you a good day. Show you a good day. Come on. La 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 la. Gonna show you a good day. Show you a good day. Woo, that felt good. A little groovy. Oh, I like that.